Welcome, in front of me I have TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I'm gonna show you 5 tricks you must try on this smartphone. So at first, if you open this device, you have to choose between the system navigation buttons or between navigation by gestures. So I'm the person who likes the buttons, but you can use of course whatever you want. I'm gonna show you how to change it. Open the settings, then scroll down to system, and then the third option is navigation, system navigation, and here you can choose between these two options. So you can use a gesture navigation, and it works like this on the preview here. And you can also use three buttons navigations like I do. You can use more settings to choose a layout, and you can enable the voice assistance. To activate this voice assistance by using a buttons navigation, you have to press and hold the home button like this. And I opened the AI assistant, so I don't want it. I'm gonna use this first layout, and we can move on to the next trick. And this one is very common because most users, when they first time using this smartphone, are not aware how to disable the assistant icon, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So if you enter the system, then open a special function and scroll down to the bottom of the settings, then move to the accessibility and choose a first option here, accessibility menu. Then you can switch on or off the shortcut for accessibility menu. If you enable this one, and it's enabled by default, and I hide this icon before, that's why you can't see it on my screen, but now I can show you. It's a floating window. It hides for the half of the icon if it's not used, and here we can see some of the important shortcuts, but let's be sure it's not that helpful, so we can switch it on, off. I'm sorry. And let's move on to the next trick. And for the next trick, this is a very useful thing because you can extend the RAM of this smartphone. To do it, open the settings, then move to the special function, and here choose MemFusion. So in these settings you have an inbuilt 8 GB of RAM, and you can additional add a virtual RAM from internal storage to improve the performance of this smartphone. So you have to enable this option, and below that you can tap on set virtual RAM to add a ROM memory, and it can be collapsed with a RAM, so it gives you better performance. I prefer to use plus 5 GB because it's a safe option. You can of course choose an 8 GB of RAM or 3, depends of your expectations and needs. Of course, it is very visible while playing a game because your game will be working much better if you don't use this option. So make sure that you set up it. And for the next trick, I can show you how to use an app lock on this device if you have some important data or applications you want to hide from the other people. You can add a password to protect it, protect the application you want to hide. So let's move to the settings and scroll down to find the special function. Then scroll down and move on to the accessibility. Oh no, sorry, it's not there. You should get into the app management. Or no? Let me give a second. Yeah, so it's gonna be in a password and security tab. And here on the bottom you can see the security app tab, and here the first option will be app lock. Here select a password you want to use to protect your application. I'm gonna use the simple one. And here you can choose an application you want to protect. So for me it's gonna be Chrome. And I'm gonna show you if I enter the Chrome. I have to draw a pattern to get access to this application. So it works. But I wish to not use it. So I'm gonna disable it. And now I can show you the last trick. And I'm gonna show you how to check for app updates that are available to download on your smartphone. So it's very useful way to check for updates. Let's get into the settings, then scroll down and move to the app management. And in these settings you have to choose app update, and here your device will scan and search for updates for your applications. Because I have all of the recent updates on my device, I cannot see available ones. But if you have something to update, then you will see in these settings all of the available updates. Yeah, so that would be all for today. Like a video, leave a comment, and of course subscribe to our channel. Goodbye!